In this video, I am going to show you how to add reviews to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So to add reviews to our Wix website, at first we need to log into our Wix website editor. So now we are going to add a section for the reviews. So from the left menu, we are going to click on add section. Here we have different types of sections that we can add to our website, but from here we are going to select testimonials. And here we will see 5 different types of review sections that we can add to our website. I like this last section, so I will add it to my website. So I will just hold it and drag it to my website. And as you can see that our testimonials are now added to our website. And now we can easily change the text with our own text. And if you want to add testimonials with the images, then you can go for this section, click on add section, select testimonials, and then you can add this section to your page. So in this way your testimonials will be added to your website with the images. After adding your testimonials, just click on publish, and that's it. You have successfully added reviews to your Wix website. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.